How to reduce dim flashing lights on iPhone iOS 18. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to dim flashing lights on your iPhone. Stay with me till the end to find out how to make your iPhone experience more comfortable. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and find Accessibility. This is where you can adjust all accessibility features for your iPhone. Tap on it to open the accessibility options. Now on the accessibility page, you'll see multiple sections, but the one we're looking for is under Vision. Scroll down until you see the Motion section and tap on it. In the Motion section, there are a few options to adjust the movement and animations on your iPhone. The one we want to focus on is dim flashing lights. Now to turn this feature on, simply tap the toggle switch next to dim flashing lights. Once it's on, your iPhone will automatically dim any video content that features repeated flashing or strobing lights. So that's how you dim flashing lights on your iPhone. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.